Hi everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today's video is bad drivers and accidents. This is volume 1. So I'm going to try this thing out and see if y'all like this. If you do, I'm going to get some more videos and make more of these videos. Hit the subscribe button if you like interested and bell icon to be notified new videos. And I really appreciate a thumbs up. So this is clip number 1. So we're driving on the freeway over here, and it's nice and smooth, and all of a sudden, what's that? That caused a car to hit the wall before, and got people on the side waiting for them. That was really interesting, and this is like one of those days you least suspect it. The traffic was great and everything like that. So you gotta watch out for drivers driving crazy or just had a day off or something else, right? So these are accident. This number 2 clip is about accident. You see looks like a truck is pulling a trailer that spun out. Probably in the construction is wet and everything like that. So no biggie, but it just congestion is terrible when you have accidents like this over here. So that's what that one was about. And this one I captured on my dash cam, and and all the cars started going to the right side all of a sudden, and that was a little bit unusual, I thought. Now my dash cam is always recording, so I have another video on my dash cam how I tap the wind sensor for power. But the big thing is, like, on this clip over here is really a sad story, but I think that people are okay. Let's put it that way, because I posted on next door, and actually one of they some of the people on next door actually saw the clip. They know that is one of the relatives or something like that, and they're okay. They're in the hospital, but I'm going to show you the clip. Everything is moving to the right all of a sudden. Yeah, even I was moving to the right, and you can see the fire truck is going to come. And down over there is a blue Honda Accord. It looks like it hit the tree or something, spun out, and it came to rest. And the airbags deploy, and the occupants are out of the vehicle. And you can see a quick glimpse in that. Unfortunately, I don't have the best view, so all the people are staying there. They're attending to the person on the floor. There's 2 people on the floor, in fact. So that was that incident. And this one just this last weekend, and on this clip over here, it's 2 accidents. So I'm going to show you the first one over here. It looks like it's a 3-car accident. There's a Honda CRV and a sedan like a Subaru, then the Ford Explorer. So something got hit. So here's the one that I was like had a close encounter. All of a sudden, this Highlander without license plate, pretty much a new license plate, paper tags, cuts in front of me. Do you know a blue Volvo? Yes, a blue Volvo sedan cuts back and forth in front of the Highlander. I don't know what they're doing. What that guy was on something under the influence or something, or just had a medical emergency or something. Didn't look like a medical emergency. He could control the vehicle, so you think he parted ways, but in fact they went on the curve over here. So we went on the curve, the other thing came down, then kept going. So it kept going, but the Highlander driver all of a sudden slowed down to a crawl, almost like stopping. So it's kind of like, I guess, they got shocked by the person in front of them, I guess, or something. Then they started going again over here. So notice the Volkswagen Bug actually went way ahead of all of us. Then notice the other vehicle is gonna come back in the picture over here, because I don't know what stunt that the other Volvo did, and I don't want to be part of the story or be a victim. But that Volvo has stalled out. Basically, you can see the front tires, control arm, maybe the axle are broken or something. I'm not sticking around for that in particular. Hopefully this video helps you out and gives you an idea about the driving, and be careful and be safe out there. Thumbs up. See you next time. Bye.